Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss with you an important topic which can show you how to stop procrastination. But the first thing is to know what is procrastination. Procrastination is to run away in front of your responsibility, your task, and nobody can do that for you. Instead, you. So it is important to know which are those simple way which can help you to stop procrastination and to be more productive. The first one is to change your environment. Your environment is extremely important in your life and has a huge impact for your future. If you are living a place where you can find anybody who can help you to be positive, better is to leave that place because you are not a tree. Extremely important. The second one is to surround yourself with good people, good friends. As it's often said, show me your crew and I will tell you your future. The person with whom we work has a huge impact in our life. That's why it's very important for us to choose which kind of friend with whom we can work. So try to have a friend which can push you to work and to be someone for your future life. Extremely important also if you want to stop procrastination. The third one is to reduce your work. For example, if you are a worker and you have a huge task, it is important for you to reduce your task by doing what you can do and take break when you feel stuck in your work. You can take a small break which can refresh your mind, your memory, and at least you can drink one bottle of water. That will help you, to find a solution to overcome your difficulties in your work. Extremely important also. The fourth one is to set a precise deadline for the activities you want to carry out. Extremely important. That work can be weekly, it can be monthly and annually. So if you can schedule your work, that will help you to stop procrastination, and you have for every single work a time which has precise, which will help you to be more productive and to stop procrastination. So if you want to be more productive, better is to have your weekly work, your monthly work, and your annually work. So at the end of the year, you will see how you have done like work. Extremely important in the life of anyone who want to succeed in your life. The fourth one is to get an accountability partner. This is extremely important. That person can be a friend, it can be a brother, or it can be a mentor. So, for example, if you are working in a project or someone has done these things, that person can help you and can give you the necessary advice you need to achieve your goal. If you want to succeed in your life, better is to have one mentor who can impact you. Even you are about to give up, if you see the person, it will motivate you and to work hard. And six is to get rid of distraction. Distraction will bring you nothing. So if you want to be someone in your life, better is to stop wasting your time in social media, which can bring you nothing in your life. So if you want to succeed, better is to feed your mind. To feed your mind, which can help you to be someone in your life if you want to see your old age by begging people. That is also extremely important because our young generation spend a lot of time by doing unnecessary things which can bring them nothing. And that finally is to reward yourself. Extremely important. If you are grateful and thankful for all those you have, it will help you to do not complain about difficulties in your life. And if you want to be more productive, better is to compare yourself to others, and you will see you have done what others don't done for their life. That is extremely important if you want to stop procrastination and complaining about life. So if you reward yourself, it will help you to be more productive. That is the message I wanted to share with you, my friend. If you like the video, you can comment, like, and share. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so like that you don't miss another interesting video. You can go in YouTube, Mohamed Janka Traore, and you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. See you next video.